Hazrat Qatada says that he has heard the hadith from a person who met the delegation which visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sayyid bin Aruba says that Qatada narrated that he, with reference to Abu Nadra, reported from Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu that a delegation of Abdul Qais entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we belong to the Rabia tribe, and the infidels of the Mudar tribe intervene between us and you. So it is impossible for us to visit you in any month save the sacred months. You may therefore give us such instructions as we should convey to our other tribesmen, as well as acting upon it, we may enter paradise. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I enjoin you four things, and from four things: worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and do not associate any partner with Him. Establish prayers, pay the poor due, observe Ramadan fasting, pay the royal fifth from the spoils, and I proscribe you from doing four things. Do not use them: dry gourd vessels, green glazed pitchers, wooden vessels, and vessels glazed with pitch. They submitted, Do you know anything about the wooden vessel, O the Prophet of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Why not? You hollow out wood and then soak dates in it. The reporter is in doubt whether he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said dates or dry dates. And when its essence gets calm after rising, you consume it, and as a result of intoxication, one of you finishes his cousin with a sword. There was a man in the delegation who got injury for the same reason, and he had hidden his injury, feeling shame from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said that he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then in what kind of vessels should we drink? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, from water skins with mouths tied. The delegate submitted, O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, our land abounds with mice, so water skins cannot work there. Hearing it, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, drink from these vessels, though mice gnaw it. Though mice gnaw it. Though mice gnaw it. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the chief of Abdul Qais delegation, you have two characteristics which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu likes: insight and forbearance. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 118.